Hey, are you ready for a Python string challenge? This one's interesting. Sure, I'm ready. I've got my coffee and my Python brain ready. Okay, here's the problem. You need to count the occurrences of each character in a string and replace them with their counts. For example, if the input is 2 times A, 3 times B and 2 times C, the output should be 2 2 3 3 3 2 2. Let me think. Oh wait, are spaces counted too? Good question. Let's assume no spaces for now. Just characters. Ready to code? Yes, let's break it down step by step. First, I will need to count each character in the string. For that, I will use a dictionary to store the counts. Let's jump to the code. First, we will start by defining a function replace underscore with underscore count, which takes string s as input. Next, we need a way to count how many times each character appears in the string. For that, we will use a dictionary called char underscore count. At the start, this dictionary is empty. Now, we loop through each character in the string s. For every character, we update its count in our dictionary. If the character is not already in the dictionary, get char, 0 ensures we start the count of 0 and we increment it by 1. So, if the string is AABB, the dictionary after the loop will look like this. Cool, right? Next, we will create a new string where every character in the original string is replaced by its count from the dictionary char underscore count. Let's use a list comprehension for that. And at last, return the result and run the code. This nifty one-liner goes through each character, grabs its count from char underscore count, converts it to a string and joins it all together. Voila! The transformed string is ready. Before testing our function with an example, let me give you a step-by-step guide how the code will work. Let's take an example, string s equals AABB. Firstly, our dictionary char underscore count is empty. The for loop iterates over each character in the string s. Iteration 1, char is equals to a. This expression returns 0 because of the default value given. And increment by 1 to the overall value. Increment and update. First, we set char underscore count a to 0 plus 1, which updates the dictionary to a is to 1. Iteration 2, where char is again a. Char underscore count dot get a, 0 returns 1 because the dictionary char underscore count already contains a with a count of 1. Increment and update. Set char underscore count a to be 1 plus 1, which is 2, and the updated dictionary is a is to 2. Iteration 3. Now char is equals to small b. Now char underscore count dot get b, 0. This expression returns 0 because the dictionary char underscore count does not yet have the key b. Increment and update char underscore count b equals 0 plus 1, which is 1, and the updated dictionary will be a is to 2, b is to 1. So far so good. Now iteration 4. This time char is again small b. Char underscore count dot get b, 0. This expression returns 1 because the dictionary char underscore count now has b is to 1. Increment and update char underscore count b equals 1 plus 1 equals 2. And this time the updated dictionary will be a is to 2, b is to 2. This expression replaces characters with their counts from the char count dictionary values and joins the results into a string. So the result will be 6 times 2. Running the code now and testing it with an example. And the code works as expected. Nice work! But what if the string has uppercase letters? For example, capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c. Oh, right, case sensitivity. I will quickly convert the string to lowercase before processing it. Here, the .lower method converts string to lowercase. Run the code. Test with a new string that includes uppercase letters. The output shows that the code works as expected. Good job! Quick recap for everyone watching. Use a dictionary to count characters. Replace them using a loop. And don't forget to handle cases like uppercase letters. To everyone watching, keep practicing Python strings and prepare for your interviews. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time with another Python interview question solved.